For proper governance. This is according to one of Uganda's senior citizens. Speaking to Samson Kasumba on NBS Focal Point, Onyango Odongo, who is just over 100 years, believes the current constitution is largely responsible for Uganda's political distresses and underdevelopment. This and more on NBS Focal Point.
My name is Samson Kasumba and this is the Focal Point. I like longevity and this is why it is Focal Point Extraordinary, because my guest has lived for 104 years. He was born in 1917. I can't tell you how excited I am to speak to somebody who has lived the age I like to live. The question is, will I or will you? And that is Mzee Onyango Odongo. Mzee Onyango Odongo, it is a pleasure to have you on the Focal Point. First of all, let me ask, by 1944-45, you definitely must have been working. What were you doing at the time?
Well, when I left army, I began to work as an interpreter.
Okay.
In the office of the district commissioner.
Okay.
Gulu.
Okay. What were the British like working with them?
They were very arrogant, some of them. Others were kind. But what I admired in them was honesty.
Honesty?
Yeah, they were honesty.
So in that sense, do you think that we benefited from independence or we lost?
We did not benefit very much. We lost in the sense that we did not do what we were supposed to do.
Okay.
We failed.
What were we supposed to do?
We were supposed to draw up a constitution.
Okay.
Of our own. Then we failed. Because, in my opinion, I noticed that we did not have people who are trained to lead. People were trained to help. All the people with whom I worked there were just helpers.
Okay.
They were not trained to lead, to stand on their own. No.
But you spoke about not being able to make our own constitution. In 1995, we made our own constitution. Wasn't it a good one?
This one here?
Yes.
This is not a constitution.
What is it?
This is the thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is not a good system.
What is bad about it?
Okay, we'll show you where you can read yourself.
Where do you want me to read? The
presidency.
Okay, and I'll read. There shall be a president of Uganda who shall be the head of state, head of government, and commander-in-chief of the Uganda People's Defense Forces and fountain of honor.
Do you think among the people who stood for election, for this last election, do you see anyone who could replace Museveni and become head of state and head of government and so on?
John Katumba cannot?
Katumba?
Mugisha Muntu cannot?
No.
Why not? He's led the forces.
Who appointed him there? Then he was kicked out like a chicken.
Henry Tumukunde, General, you think he also can't?
You know, when Museveni took over, he sent Tinyifunja to the north to pacify north.
A place you know very well.
And you know what he did there. And that ruined him up to now.
Okay.
In the way Kale Kaiwora also ruined his.
Okay.
Because of that law.
No, but now cannot make a good president?
No.
He leads a party.
Well, he leads a party with...
You will also probably tell me why you think Robert Chagulanyi Sentamoso can't lead the country when he got up to 35% of the vote.
No, that one can lead.
He can lead.
That one is okay. He needs to be assisted.
Why do you think Robert can do the job, Mao can't, Muntu can't, and Tumukunde can't?
Well, Mao has been there from the time this constitution was enacted.
Yes.
We did not see what was wrong with this constitution. And the DP, not the DP with in which I was.
The one of Zachary Olum?
No, one of Kiwanuka.
What is your obsession with Bobi Wine, and why do you think he has leadership credentials when many people in this country, serious people, think he's just a joker without ideological orientation?
I've seen how he is talking to the people, how he addresses people, which shows that he is a potential leader.